My name is Professor MJ, sports handicapper and university statistics teacher from Canada. This video will unveil my best bet in the NBA for Friday, February 10th. Yesterday I shared 5 betting picks that generated a great 4-1 record. Unfortunately, the lone losing bet was the free play I shared with you, the Minnesota Wild, who got hammered 5-1 by the Vegas Golden Knights. In the NHL, I also recommended to take under 6 goals in the Avalanche versus Lightning showdown. Since 5 goals were scored, this bet cashed. In college basketball, I saw good value with Northern Colorado minus 4 points against Portland State. Since they won by a 9-point margin, this was a winning wager as well. Finally, we added a couple more winners in the NBA. The Greek Freak to get under 14.5 rebounds, who finished with 10, and DeAndre Ayton from the Phoenix Suns to rack up over 21.5 points, who got 23. Over the past 3 days, my picks across all sports have produced a mind-boggling 11-2 record. Come and join the numerous smart sports bettors on my Patreon page in order to get access to all of my betting tips. That being said, let me present my top pick in the NBA for today. Okay, now that I'm done picking up the money on the floor, in my opinion, the most profitable bet in the NBA for Friday, February 10th goes to the Miami Heat, minus 6 points for the first half against the Houston Rockets. I shared this pick at 10:35 a.m. Eastern Time, and you can see on your screen that the best odds were minus 108 with the Bet99 sportsbook. Lines might have changed since then. The Rockets are the worst team in the league right now with a 236 winning percentage, and I don't believe the Heat will take them lightly. In the previous meeting between these two squads, Miami barely prevailed by a 111-108 score in Houston. It's also interesting to note that the Rockets have failed to beat the spread in each of their past 4 visits in Miami. Houston is also 3-13 against the spread in their last 16 road games, which is abysmal. Meanwhile, the Heat have been very strong at home this season. They have posted an 18-9 record versus just 12-16 on the road. More specifically, Miami is currently riding a 7-game winning streak in front of their home crowd. In case you are wondering, I took the Heat's first half spread rather than the full game as a simple matter of preference. I obviously would not be opposed to someone wanting to bet the full game spread here. I wish you all a great Super Bowl weekend. So far, I've shared 28 Super Bowl prop bets, and this is your last chance to sign up to receive them all. I will certainly add more before kickoff, so as was the case in previous years, we should end with 30 to 40 prop bets on the Super Bowl. A quick reminder that over the past 3 Super Bowls, we have racked up a 54-23 record on such plays. I have been spending a lot of time analyzing those picks and making lots of calculations to find the best bargains for you. Thanks for watching, my friend.